Yung conceptualization?
Less than a year actually. It was a pretty quick process, but also it helped that we knew what we wanted out of our first line. So I think that's why napabilis din yung proseso. But less than a year, I believe. Julia, pag okay na sila.
But how are you? Kamusta yung what did Danny say? Kasi did you get anything from the business playbook?
Oh wow, Danny's amazing at what she does.
Yeah.
That's why she's going to help us with her first TikTok live.
Talaga?
Because my sister, she's amazing. So, yeah, she's been giving tips. As always giving her advice. Palagi niya akong ine-encourage to do a live. So, we're going to do that together.
But Danny is like that. Ikaw parang mas hindi ka ganun eh.
Mahihayin na ako pag live na yung ano. Now nga nahihiyan.
Wow, grabe.
I'm kidding.
No, but really, what made you say that you're ready for business?
I don't know, really. I don't think it's about... I think just having the right team behind you, because hindi naman din ako expert on this field. So much respect sa lahat na mas nakakalam ng business aspect of this, and even trusting my feedback on, I guess, the products, on the creative direction. But really, it's so crucial to have the right team behind you and everybody na aligned sa gusto mo. They know exactly how to execute it. So really, just all credit and props to the team behind you.
Do you feel like may business acumen ka talaga? Or you're gonna take it like as it goes?
I'm really going to learn as it goes, and fortunately I have like my sister Danny, and then Viva Beauty na very much experience already in the business side, so I'm grateful.
Your mom
is part actually.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah,
like how much of a part is she?
She wanted she didn't ask for too much of a part, but I wanted her to be a part of it. I feel like ang dami ko na ring nagawa na hindi ko pa siya nasasama sa isang venture. So, this is the right one to do.
Ang sweet, nakita ko, special request mo si Erich, dumating.
Yeah,
yung sister mo.
Kasi ma-makeup yan eh. And sa kanya ko talaga natututunan yung mga tinted na look mo. So, when I say I was really inspired by my siblings, sila talaga yan. I learned from them so much.
I love it.
Yeah.
A little bit about your projects. Anong update? Kamusta yung teleserye nyo ni Enrique? Nakapag-meet na ba kayo?
No, not yet. Actually, it's still in the works. Ang dami pang pre-prod na kailangan gawin. They're completing the cast. I've heard some na makakasama namin that I'm really excited about. But I think we're supposed to be launching soon before we start taping. But hopefully before the year ends.
Hopefully before. Wait, pero teleserye is gonna be a different ball game again. Because di ba puyatan yan? How are you preparing for that?
Eddie Garcia Bell.
You're praying!
Sa totoo lang. No, I mean, ang sarap pagtrabaho ngayon because everybody is isang team na, everybody wants to finish on time, everybody wants to be productive with their time. Ang dami talagang natuto sa pandemic. So now, productivity, and syempre, respect sa time ng lahat. So, I'm not too worried about the puyatan, though it may come, but being physically ready for it, maybe.
But yung reaction lang that fans are really, parang, they saw a different side of you because of your hosting in Eat Bulaga.
Just so grateful to everybody from EP. They've been so nice, so welcoming, so encouraging, and yeah, they're always pushing me to not be shy if I have anything to say. If I wanna sing, they're really backing me up.
Yeah.
Super grateful. It's a fun space.
Baka album na next?
Viva Records.
Baka Viva Records
No,
naman after Viva Beauty.
Shooting na muna tayo.
Oo, shooting na muna. But
tayo.
with Enrique, like, is it your... I don't memorize like the back. First time niyo ba mag-work together? Or?
Second. The first time I worked with Ken Mirabella.
Yes.
I
So, grabe.
was much younger. So now we're both very much grown. And excited to work with Direct Net again, whom I worked with for Love You to the Stars 2017. So both of them ang tagal na rin. So we're really excited for this one.
Yeah, how was the meeting like when this was pitched to you?
Ang saya, parang wala nang ang meeting, puro kwentuhan na lang eh.
Yung dinner na pinost nila.
Yeah. Of course, we did some initial talks, what the plans would be, but it was a lot about hanging out, catching up with everybody. and bonding, yeah. Thank you.
Julia, dati na pag-usapan natin yung plano mong mag-aral ulit. Tapos this year, dalaw sa nanay mo at kapatid mo nag-graduate. Anong pakiramdam?
Nakaka-inspire. Ngayon, mas nainganyo pa akong ipagpatuloy yung pangarap na yun. I don't think ever naman siya nawala. It's always about the right time to do it and what I wanna take up.
Wala pa ako. Anong course?
It changes all the time. Ganun pala kaya nag-shift yung mga tao ng course. No? Kasi talagang over time, you realize like, I want this now and then tomorrow like, parang it's not fitting. Diba? They always say that my course just didn't fit. But I get it now. It changes with time and as you grow. Pero more or less, naiintindihan ko na parang anong gusto kong gawin. We'll see when we get there. Ayoko siyang i-jinx.
Tapos si Eric sa abroad mag-aaral.
No, nag-summer school siya doon, but
Okay.
she studies here.
Okay.
Yeah, hindi pa kami siyang ready i-let go. Bilang, grade school pa naman siya.
Bata pa.
Oo, yeah, baka pag college, she can make that choice. Pero, shucks, wag na muna. Yung nag-summer school nga lang, sinamahan pa namin.
Sumama ka din.
Yeah, we went to London, my mom and I. We waited for her to be done.
Pero grabe ka, super handsome ka kay Leon tsaka kay Eric.
We're all very hands-on with each other. Ganun ang dynamic ng family namin. Very supportive.
Julia, fun question lang. Uso ngayon yung mga Nepo babies. Would you consider yourself as a Nepo baby?
Yeah, in what sense though? Kasi parang may dalawang meaning na siya eh.
Yung meaning para sa'yo?
Well, anak lang ako ni Marjorie. But I work hard for what I have.
Yeah.
Love it. Period.
Yes, thank
Yeah.
you.
I advise you guys to the same.
Yeah! So, BB. BB, kumakayod for BB.
Yes.
Mag-lifestyle.
Julia, si Eric mas magaling mag-makeup kaysa sa'yo.
Yes! So, kanya pa ako natututo ng new products, the right balms. Really, lahat ng knowledge ko, galing sa batang yan talaga. Lahat, mas magaling po mag-eyeliner yan. Hanggang ngayon, hindi ako marunong mag-eyeliner sa sarili ko. So, yeah. Ang galing ng mga bata ngayon. Galing na lang.
Pero paano nag-evolve yung definition mo ng beauty?
Pag tumatanda ka, napapagod ka na. So, you want less is more. I mean, ganun lang talaga yon. And you get busy. You want your routine to be as quick as possible. You would know that. Ang dami yung sinesegue yan, di ba? So, time is precious. So, if you can do it in 3-4 products, okay na yun. Magagawa mo pa sa car. Yeah.
How many products do you
Okay,
use?
sa logo at packaging, nakailang sa'yo? Revision.
Yun ang maraming balik. Actually, more than the formula and the colors, it was more that. Kasi, first impression lasts. So, but we really wanted it to be special but simple. I'm really all about simplicity and just easy maintenance and wala na masyadong niho-niha. Just, yun na yun.
How many products do you use?
Of
Makeup.
Okay. So, full concealer, lalo pag puyat, dito. Tapos, wag talaga yun explain. Alam niyo naman yung concealer, okay? So, so concealer, my favorite concealer, blush, curl lash, brow gel. Ilan na yun? 4. My last will always be a 10. Yun lang yun.
Pero dumarating ba yung time na parang feeling mo parang ayaw mo muna mag-makeup, pahinga muna? Lumalabas ka pa rin ng bahay ng walang
Oh,
makeup?
sobra. Grabe. I love those days na nakapagpahinga yung skin ko. And then, when I get back on the makeup chair with my glam team, they really notice the change kapag nakakapagpahinga yung skin mo. So, again, the older you get, you really cherish those days.
Speaking of the product, Julia, how do you plan to share this with your fans sa Itbulaga, considering na medyo kikay-kikay kayo doon? Baka masabi nila masyadong high-end yung product mo.
It's actually not. It's very accessible, very simple, very minimal. I don't think there's anything intimidating about these products. They're very simple. Hindi nga din overpowering yung mga kulay na napili namin. We'll slowly learn and we'll slowly grow. But right now, I just wanted to introduce a line that was simple and easy.
Tatanggap na kayo ng mga out-of-the-country orders?
I think pag na-receive ng well yung first line, then the operation side will see how far we can evolve and expand. But right now, we're very focused on what we have now.
So Julia, ano yung self-care routine mo sa dami niyo?
Wala na nga din masyado. I'm just like, sobrang nang gusto ko matulog. Sleep.
Water.
Yun ang I'm working on that. But yes, I do drink water Sleep is so important. Yun talaga yung nagpapa-glow sa'yo the next day.
Luxury na yung sleep sa'yo, no?
Yeah, sobra. Super
How many
talaga.
hours ba?
Well, I make it to a point talaga 7 to 8 ako. And in fairness, the past months, nakaka 7 to 8 ako.
Wow, congrats!
Yeah.
Oo, mahirap yun.
Mahirap yun.
Oo.
Siyempre, it's not like that every day, but I have more days na ganun. Thank you, Lord. Yeah.
Thank you!
Okay.
Thanks, guys. Thank you.